I'm just going to do a quickie on this headlight to see if it will come clear. It is very rough to the touch. Some of it's coming off to the touch. This is an old Harbor Freight kit, I think. Let's try that. It's a blue disc. It's very fine. I just don't know how fine. It didn't say. Some kind of polishing compound. Well, was it worth it? I'm doing this one in real time, except for me running to get stuff. I don't know how long I've been out here. But let's take a look at both sides. After, before. Probably worth buying a new set, but that looks a little bit better for now. I'll do the other side. Both sides done. This side, I think, maybe came out a lot better, maybe. I don't know. You can still see stuff on the inside, but maybe I should do this one more time. I don't know. I'll think about it tomorrow. Looks good, though.